Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends in the study room in Q&A app. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Q&A app, which can be downloaded through App Store. When you enter the home page on the bottom side, there you can see there are many options such as Home, Discover, Camera-like option, Community, and a Human-like option which shows your profile. Now here, tap on the timer to invite the friends. Tap on the Human-like option with the plus sign on the top of it. And then you can invite friends by sending the link there. You can copy the link and then go back to any of the apps, for example Viber, Snapchat, or even TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever. I'm going to Instagram. I'm going to the messages, searching for the person I want to send this link to. I want to invite this person to, and then they'll tap on this link, they'll get invited, they'll enter this room and you can study together. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and that is how you invite your friends in the study room. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.